Welcome! Today we're making Afro-Asian-American Gumbo from Between Harlem and Heaven cookbook by J.J. Johnson and Alexander Smalls with Veronica Chambers. This is actually our first time filming how we cook together, and we're excited to share it with you today. Right now we're preparing some of the ingredients for the gumbo. Kaya likes to work fairly independently. Noah is talking to me a little bit about the parts of a bell pepper and what parts we're going to cook. We continue prepping the ingredients for the recipe, and Catalina, who you don't see here, actually halves all of the tomatoes that we use.
1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, and I guess it's this one because it has the same symbol. It says 1.
As I mentioned, Kaya likes to work fairly independently in the kitchen, so I'll just kind of hang out with her, and she likes to talk about what she's doing, but I give her plenty of space. Whereas with Noah or Catalina, I might be more hands-on with them and maybe give lessons or be there to answer any questions that they have. Right now, I'm just working behind Kaya, gathering some things that we'll need when we get to the stove. For larger recipes like this with a lot of ingredients, a lot of times I will help by fetching things for them. is going to start the roux for the gumbo.
Add the flour, right? Do I have to add the whole thing?
The roux needs to be cooked and stirred continuously until it turns into a smooth peanut butter and then a rich chocolate color. Chef JJ says to be patient with your roux and watch it closely. Now we're going to add the tomatoes, the onion, the garlic, the celery, and the bell pepper. I love cooking with the kids. It's a great way for us to learn together. Now we're adding the dried shrimp, the spice mix, and the tomato paste. whisking in the stock and then adding the rest of the ingredients.
Okay.